Hello lovely family, on today's menu we are preparing a very moist air fried chicken breast. Let's go straight into the kitchen. Yes, and now our chicken breast is ready to be served. Look at how juicy and moist this chicken breast is looking. The flavors of the various seasoning makes this chicken breast yummy and delicious. Join me and let's eat this amazing chicken breast together. This is air fried chicken breast. It is so delicious. Thank you so much for watching, lovely family. And if you are interested in more healthy recipes, kindly click on the subscription button and the notification bell. Stay blessed and safe. Bye bye.